So in the data space, we have a variety of different paths that one can take. We have data science, we have data analytics, we have analytics engineering, and we have data engineering, which are the four core ones. In data science, you would be working with things such as machine learning. You also do a lot of analytics, build machine learning algorithms. In order to get into data science, you can study data science. You can actually do like a data science degree, or you can do computer science as well. A lot of software engineers do branch out and just become data scientists. There's also a lot of boot camps actually that do provide data science training and can also allow you to like get internships through them as well. That's another path. There's the self-taught route, not my favorite because I think it's very hard, and but it's definitely doable as well, where you can just self-teach. There's a lot of engineers that I've actually seen getting into the data science space, maybe through graduate programs, or just being lucky enough learning the right things and applying and maybe getting a junior role and all of that. So that's also possible. Personally, I think that if you're self-taught, I've noticed that a lot of people do survive in data analytics a lot more if they're self-taught. I think it's not a space that has too many tools you have to learn, because if you can learn like one BI tool and just like really be great at it, learn how to analyze data and get insights from it, that would be a really great space to start. Most people that get into data engineering are actually people that have a software engineering background, because it really requires a lot of heavy coding and is very tool dependent. There's a lot of very specialized tools you have to know, so it's a bit of a tricky one. Personally, analytics engineering is all about, it's sort of the layer that sits between data engineering and analytics, because it's the layer where data is transformed. More matured companies have analytics engineers. It's not all companies that have these, but it's a layer where you just model data, get into a state where it's ready for analytics, so that analytics people just have to focus on getting value from the data and don't have to worry so much about manipulating it, modeling it, getting it into a good state. So in terms of demand, I would say all of them do have demand, but the one complaint that I've heard from fellow data scientists is that most of them sometimes go into companies wanting to do machine learning, and then they just end up doing a lot of BI stuff. So you probably should ask, if you're doing an interview, just what the job spec actually looks like. Are you going to be doing a lot of BI stuff only, or are you also going to be doing machine learning and stuff? Because that's one of the biggest complaints that I've noticed. But yeah, all of them are in demand, I would say, from what I've seen. Analytics engineering, people don't usually hire for that. I know about it because my current workplace actually has it. So yeah.